everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we resume from the last episode. To recap, we were trying to write an algorithm to identify if two words use the same set of letters. Our attempts in the last episode did not succeed when the second word had additional characters which are different. For example, catch as a second word has all the characters of the first word cat, but also includes an additional character H. And our previous algorithm failed to recognize it. If you have your solution ready, then it is a good time to compare with us. So let us share what we have got. W1 and W2 are the given words. Define chars in W1 as an empty set. Add all characters of W1 to this set. For each char, C1 in W1, add C1 to chars in W1 and 4. Define chars in W2 as an empty set. Add all characters of W2 to this set. For each char, C2 in W2, add C2 to chars in W2 and 4. Print yes if both sets are equal, otherwise we print no. The logic behind this algorithm is simple. We build two sets, one containing the characters of the word W1 and the other containing the characters of W2. We use set because set automatically drops the duplicate characters. For example, if we add characters of catch to a set, it will drop the second C. Sets also do not store the order of insertions. Thus, set equality always checks whether the content elements are equal irrespective of which one was inserted first. This algorithm also does not bias on W1 or W2. What we mean by this is that the algorithm is the same if we interchange W1 and W2. This gives us the confidence that when we compare cat and catch, it will not matter whether W1 is cat or catch. Now we write the algorithm in working code using Python. We will test a few samples now. See, it prints yes as expected. It prints no as we expect as well. It prints yes in both cases. This is also correct behavior. Now we try cat and catch. See, it prints no in both cases. This is excellent. Finally, just for fun, we try boulder and doorbell. See, it prints yes, just the way we have expected. Well, that's all for now. With this, we finish our preliminary learning on Python. Stay tuned to try out some super exciting hands-on coding. See you soon. Ciao!